To add your Revolut 18 card to Google Pay, follow these steps. Eligibility requirements. Age. Your child must be at least 13 years old to use Google Pay with a Revolut 18 card. Device compatibility. Ensure the Android device supports NFC and HCE. Check by navigating to Settings, Wireless and Networks, More. If NFC appears, the device is compatible. Adding Revolut 18 card to Google Pay. Open the Revolut 18 app. Log in using your child's credentials. Access card settings. Tap the card's icon in the top right corner. Select the card. Choose the 18 card you wish to add. Add to Google Pay. Tap Add to GPay and follow the on-screen instructions. Verification methods. In-app verification. A prompt will appear within the Google Pay app. Log into the Revolut 18 app and confirm the addition. Text message verification. A one-time password will be sent via SMS. Enter this OTP in the Google Pay app to complete the setup.